I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard, Create Integrations. Search and select a trigger Gutena Forms. Now, click on the Fetch button. Go to your contact form site and fill it out to retrieve the Gutena Forms. Go back to your integration site. Here you can see that it has been successfully fetched. Set action. Now search and select an action ClinchPad. Give here ClinchPad API token. So please visit ClinchPad API token. API. Copy the API token. And paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. You can add actions by checking the box. Also, here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to your ClinchPad site, More, Contacts. Here you can see the data came successfully in ClinchPad. Thanks for watching.